As we told you at the top of the show, Fulton County, Georgia is filing a motion over the FBI's seizure of its 2020 election ballots. Officials held a press conference today. They say they're still confused about what exactly the FBI was doing when they took those ballots.
They showed up and took the 700 boxes that they wanted. So what they're doing with them now, we don't know. Typically, we're given copies. We don't even have copies of what they took. So it's a problem. What are they doing with them? Where are they? Who has them? We don't know.
Those are all really important questions. Let's turn to Katrina Kaufman, who joins us from the CBS Broadcast Center in New York. Katrina, you can't answer all those questions. Those questions are pending, but catch us up on this legal maneuver from Fulton County.
Major, so what they're trying to do is sue to get back all of those materials that we saw taken out of their elections office, all those boxes. They also want the affidavit unsealed that the FBI used to get that search warrant. Now, I was talking to our elections expert, David Becker, and he pointed out that there are potentially serious problems with this warrant. He can't really see an underlying crime here. They cited a couple statutes. One was related to document retention, which he said was very odd. Another one was about a statute that relates to interfering with someone's vote. And in addition, there's a statute of limitations problem here. It's supposed to be only 5 years. And what we also heard in that press conference today is Chairman Pitts said that if they do go through these ballots and count them, they're going to find the exact same result. It's important to remember that back in 2020, these ballots were counted 3 times, once with oversight from Trump observers.
Right. And they said in Fulton County that a lot of things are at stake here, not just conspiracy theories about 2020, which were litigated and, as you said, counted 3 times in the jurisdiction of Georgia, not just Fulton County, but also the midterms and any future election.
Yes, I mean, a big concern is that this is much bigger than Fulton County. It's much bigger than Georgia. This could ripple across the country and create fear among election officials as we prepare for the upcoming midterms. It's the first time that we've seen the White House try to take criminal action against public officials in an election that was verified. And it's also really important, Major, to remember that under the Constitution, the power to conduct elections was delegated to the states. And this was done very intentionally to prevent the executive branch from taking more power. The states have power here. Congress can pass law, but there's not supposed to be any federal authority here to nationalize these elections, as President Trump has talked about doing.
Katrina Kaufman, always a pleasure. Thank you so much for your help tonight. I appreciate it.